In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay Local Pickup, a guide designed to make your selling experience more efficient and personalized on one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms. If you're looking to simplify the sales process and offer a convenient option for buyers in your area, Local Pickup is an excellent choice. Now let's start by opening your web browser and searching for eBay. Once the search results appear, go ahead and click on the first link. This will take you directly to eBay's homepage. Once you're on eBay, you'll want to locate the sign-in button, which is situated in the upper left corner of the page. Clicking on this button will bring you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't registered yet, you'll need to create an account to proceed. But once you've logged in successfully, you'll notice a menu item labeled My eBay. Click on the arrow next to it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, navigate to and select Selling. This will direct you to a page that lists all your selling activities, including active sales and past transactions. But for today's purpose, let's focus on the Drafts section. Go ahead and click on Drafts to view any listings you've prepared but haven't yet published. Now, you'll want to find a specific draft you intend to work with. Under this section, you'll see the Resume Draft option next to each item. Click on it to continue editing your chosen draft. This will open your listing in edit mode, allowing you to make further adjustments. You're going to want to scroll down until you find the section designated for shipping. Shipping methods are an essential part of your listing, so pay careful attention here. In the shipping section, click on the area that prompts you to add or change your shipping method. A list of options will appear. Since we are focusing on local transactions, choose Local Pickup only. This selection allows your buyer to collect the item in person, eliminating shipping costs and potential delivery issues. Choosing local pickup is not only beneficial for you as the seller, but can also be an attractive option to local buyers who prefer this method. And that's it. You've now successfully set your item up for local pickup. Remember, clear communication is key, so it's always a good idea to provide any additional instructions or contact information in your listing to facilitate a smooth handover of the item. Offering a convenient local pickup option not only broadens your potential buyer base, but can also lead to quicker sales and satisfied customers. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling on eBay.